Welcome back to the cafeteria. Today I am making a Chicago style Italian beef. The only way you're supposed to make an Italian beef. This is everything I'm using. Make sure you check the description box for every detail. Let's get to making this beef. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by thawing my meat out overnight, and then I'm going to put it into a medium pot and just let it warm because this meat is already cooked. We just need to heat it up. Once it gets to heating up, I'm going to taste it, and I tasted it and it was not seasoned enough. So I'm going to add a little more to it. I'm going to add some seasonings, and then I'm also going to add some onion and bell pepper. I'm going to start off by just putting my meat in the bread. I'm not going to dip my bread because I don't like my beef dipped like that. I'm going to dip it after I load my meat into there. I'm just going to like flip it over and dunk it in there just a little bit. Not too much because I don't like no soggy beef, okay? Now, a lot of people like cheese on their beef. I love cheese on my beef. If it don't got cheese on it, I don't want it. Take it back. So, I'm going to use nacho cheese. Nacho cheese on your Italian beef is a game changer. But if you don't want nacho cheese, you can use sliced American, the white or the yellow. And I'm just going to put a little bit on top of there after I add my onion, my raw onion. That's the key. You got to make sure you get some raw onion on your beef. Next thing I'm going to add is some hot Giardiniera peppers, extra Giardiniera peppers. Whenever you go to a restaurant in Chicago and you order Italian beef, make sure you order it like this. Let me get an Italian beef with cheese, extra hot peppers, and raw onion, and you're good to go. Now I'm going to wrap it up because I got to get into the feel of the restaurant. So I'm going to wrap it up in some parchment paper, then some aluminum foil, because if they don't wrap it in aluminum foil, your whole beef is going to fall through the bag, okay? Because you got all that juice running and it's just a hot mess. So make sure you wrap it up in aluminum foil. Now, for the side, you got to make sure you get a side of fries with your beef. And I'm kind of slacking right here because what's fries from the restaurant without mild sauce? You got to have mild sauce, but I don't have mild sauce at home, okay? You can only really get that at the restaurant. But we making this at home. So I just tossed them with a little salt and pepper. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to put it into this brown paper bag. And it's just like, oh, wow. I got this from my local restaurant. Look at it. This was so good. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.